Here's the puppies about 4.5 weeks old. There's Blanca in the yellow and Orville in the light blue. There's Zulu. And Breeze with the green and Zulu playing. And there's Piper. And I can't tell who that is. That's Cessna maybe. And there's Zeppelin. And who's upside down? That is Spartan upside down, laying there. It's Orville and Zeppelin. That's Orville and Zeppelin playing. Piper. And there's Wilbur. Wilbur and Zulu and Zeppelin. And there's Breeze trying to get Heidi and Sydney over here on the edge. And Amelia's sleeping. That's amazing. She doesn't usually always the one that's awake. Looks like Spartan and maybe Zeppelin playing over there. And there's Zulu. Hey Zulu. And there's Cessna. They're afraid of the light. What are you guys doing in there?